Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week's topic, advanced techniques for diagnosing automotive issues. Diagnosing automotive issues accurately and efficiently is an art that distinguishes great repair technicians from the rest. As vehicles become more technologically advanced, the ability to diagnose complex problems has become increasingly crucial. In this video, we will delve into the art of diagnosing automotive issues and explore advanced techniques that can elevate the skills of repair technicians to new heights. Utilize advanced diagnostic equipment. Invest in high-quality diagnostic tools that can provide in-depth information about a vehicle's systems. From scan tools to oscilloscopes and digital multimeters, having access to advanced equipment can significantly enhance your diagnostic capabilities. Learn how to effectively use these tools to pinpoint issues and interpret data accurately. Apply systematic troubleshooting methods. Adopt a systematic approach to troubleshooting automotive issues. Start by gathering relevant information from the customer and conducting a thorough visual inspection. Then utilize a logical and structured process to narrow down potential problem areas. Test components and systems methodically, eliminating possibilities until you find the root cause. Document your steps and findings for future reference. Stay updated with manufacturer resources. Manufacturers provide valuable resources such as technical service bulletins, wiring diagrams, and diagnostic flowcharts. Make it a habit to consult these resources when encountering challenging diagnostic scenarios. They can offer valuable insights and specific guidance that will save you time and help you make accurate diagnoses. Leverage data-driven diagnostics. Modern vehicles generate an abundance of data, and leveraging this data can greatly aid in diagnosing issues. Use software applications that can retrieve and interpret vehicle data, including live data streams, freeze-frame data, and historical data. Analyze this information to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies that may point towards the source of the problem. Collaborate and seek assistance. Don't hesitate to seek assistance and collaborate with fellow technicians, especially when dealing with complex issues. Engage in discussions, participate in online forums or communities, and leverage the collective knowledge and experience of your peers. Two heads are often better than one when it comes to problem solving. Continuously learn and expand your knowledge. The automotive industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and vehicle models entering the market regularly. To stay at the forefront of diagnostics, commit to continuous learning and expanding your knowledge base. Attend training sessions, workshops, and seminars focused on advanced diagnostics. Stay curious and explore emerging technologies to sharpen your diagnostic skills. The art of diagnosing automotive issues requires a combination of technical expertise, systematic approaches, and a commitment to continuous learning. By utilizing advanced diagnostic equipment, applying systematic troubleshooting methods, leveraging manufacturer resources, embracing data-driven diagnostics, collaborating with others, and expanding your knowledge, you can elevate your diagnostic capabilities as a repair technician. Remember, honing your diagnostic skills not only enhances your reputation and expertise, but also leads to improved customer satisfaction and the success of your repair shop. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.